Hi, Jeff Whyte. We're here on site actually just doing a very filthy trashed out rental here. Had a lot of stains, needed a very strong pre-spray with our Gold Rush pre-spray, and we've got this heat, an incredible amount of heat from a portable, as you'll see in the video footage, to get us some great results. Unbelievable. The sort of heat this puts out, you'd have to spend well over $30,000 in a truck mount to achieve that. But in a portable it's under $10,000, it's ridiculous. Even if you've got a truck mount, you would always have this incredible machine. Ballistic heat, incredible heat. You can see the footage of what we've done, but here, if someone came here after the results on that floor, you'd swear a truck mount's been in here. Unbelievable. Extremely hot, you can hardly hold the fitting. Super impressive portable. Couldn't encourage you more to get one of these. Sensational. I've never seen heat like that out of a portable. And the other feature that we love, one of its competitors, to change the back motors, you actually virtually have to split the whole body, which is, you know, a lot of labour when you want to change back motors. With us, we've got one nut down here. I've illustrated that before in another video. One nut, the whole thing comes up. There's one little filter to keep clean. Your accessibility, it's just a 10 out of 10 machine. Unbelievable how good it is.